Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Guide VB. Now I am talking about Google Analytics. In this, I will tell you what is meant by Google Analytics, purpose of website analytics, tool for website analytics, and how to install Google Analytics. Google Analytics is the most popular free tool for analyzing website traffic, YouTube channel, and blog traffic. Google Analytics is a web analytics service that provides statistics and basic analytical tool for search engine optimization and marketing purpose. The service is a part of Google Analytics platform and is available for free to anyone with a Google account. Google Analytics is used to track website traffic and collect visitor insight. It can help organizations determine top source of user traffic, gauge the success of their marketing activities and campaigns, track goal completion such as purchase, adding product to carts, discover pattern and trend in user engagement, and often user visitor information such as demographic. Small and medium-sized retailer websites often use Google Analytics to obtain and analyze various customer behavior. In this figure, we see how Google Analytics works. Google Analytics acquires user data from each website visitor through the use of page tag. A JavaScript page tag is inserted into the code of each page. This tag runs in the web browser of each visitor, collecting data and send it to one of Google data collection server. Google Analytics can then generate customizable reports to track and visualize data such as the number of users, bounce rate, average session duration, page views, goal completion, and more. The page tag function as a webhook or web beacon to gather visitor information. However, because it relies on cookies, the system cannot collect data for users who have disabled them. Now, the purpose of website analytics. By using website analytics, we see who is viewing your website. Returning user is the first time visiting the web or not. Number of website visits. General location of visitor means the country or state. How did a user find a website? By using the website referral or keyword use. Website referral means the user accessing the website directly, linking from another website or social media. By using keyword means user access a website from Google or another search engine. You can learn what a user typed in by using the keyword report. What is view on a website? What is content page a user view? What content page a user start and end up? Which links or files were clicked on? This does require some setup within Google Analytics through event and goal tracking. We have 10 important tools for website analytics. We see one by one. First one is Google Analytics. Google Analytics is one of the best free tools that any website owner can use to track and analyze data about web traffic. Second one is Spearmetric. Spearmetric has taken the analytic tool and made it simpler. Third one is Upra. Upra is another tool that offers real-time analytic tracking, whereas Google Analytics can take hours to update. It is desktop application that feed you live visitor states, including where they live, what page they are on now, where they have been on your website, and their web browser. Fourth one is Clicky. Clicky also offer a free service if you have only one website and a pro account for a monthly fee. Fifth one is Mint. Mint is an analytic tool that is self-hosted and costs $30 per website. You get the benefit of real-time stats which you do not get with the free Google Analytics. Sixth one is Chartbeat. Chartbeat is let user get the most from their data with instant information. They keep constant watch on your web visitor and what they are doing on your website. Seventh one is Kissmetric. Kissmetric is another analytic tool that allow client to track the movements and individual visitor throughout their website. 8.1 is the user testing. User testing is the unique way to gather information about site user. You are paying for a group of participants of your choosing to perform a set of tasks on your site. Ninth one is Crazy Egg. Crazy Egg used the power of heat map technology to give you a visual picture of what site visitor are doing on your page. 10th one is Mouse Flow. Mouse Flow is a combination of user testing and Crazy Egg. You can see video of user interacting with your website, including every mouse click and movement, scrolling and keystroke. Now, how to install Google Analytics? First one, we create a Google account or use existing one. Using your Google account to set up Google Analytics. Now we log into the Google account and then go to the www.google.com/analytics site. Then click on Access Google Analytics. Then click on Sign Up. Then setting up Google Analytics for a website. Then fill out all the information on this page. Account name, website URL, industry category, reporting time zone. Then click on the Get Tracking ID button. A Google Analytics Term of Service agreement will appear and you will need to accept this agreement before you can proceed further. You will then present with a unique tracking code that will need to be applied to your website. Now installing the tracking code, make sure the tracking code is on all pages. Now our installation is done.